All right, who do I have from the Ellis County Jail?
Charles Seymour.
All right, Mr. Seymour, you're here on an unfiled case. You were arrested on a probable cause affidavit. Looks like from this affidavit, you could be charged with stalking. I'm here today to set your bond. Mr. Anderson.
Thank you, Your Honor. In reviewing a PSI for Mr. Seymour from case number 21 CR 109, the state would anticipate Mr. Seymour is a C as in cat history. In 21 CR 109, he was actually convicted of felony stalking. His other history would include 12 other prior convictions, 7 prior non-person felonies, and a misdemeanor stalking from 2020. Given, well, I should say that makes this stalking a level 7 person felony. Given the level 7 person felony charge, coupled with his C history, I think it's appropriate for the court to set bond at least $50,000 cash or commercial surety. Put conditions in place, specifically that he have no contact with Natasha Hammerschmidt, and that he be ordered to not enter into or remain in the Chestnut building located at 1200 Main Street here in Hayes.
He sounds like a bad boy.
Mr. Seymour, you've heard the request for bond. Anything you would like to say?
Yes, all those charges were dropped, but without prejudice. So this hack up there in the corner keeps bringing them up. Now I got Jerry Driscoll, Bob Dole's attorney. Let's rock and roll.
Okay. Your bond is set at $50,000 that can be posted by cash or commercial surety.
Okay, good. I will post it by cash.
Okay. If you bond out, no contact with NH, not allowed to be in the Chestnut building, especially at Worth Wealth Management, no violation of any laws, no alcohol, no illicit drugs.
I understand, Your Honor. I'd rather nail Mike Johnson to a burning building than deal with those people. They're bookies.
Yeah, that's all I have for you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Hack. What?
Bob Dole's attorney. Mr. Dole's no longer with us. I would imagine his
Your name?
attorney's pretty old.
Anthony Ramos.
Mr. Ramos, you're here for a bench warrant appearance today, alleging that you violated terms of your probation, failed to comply with your probation. Alex Herman was your attorney when you were sentenced in this matter. You have a right to have counsel. You have a right to have counsel appointed. If you wish to have appointed counsel, fill out the paperwork, and we will appoint Mr. Herman again to represent you. Do you plan on hiring counsel, or you wish to have court appointed?
Court appointed lawyer.
Okay. Ask the deputy for the paperwork, get that filled out.
Yes. Am I doing like a dip or sanction, anything like that?
Are you gonna file a motion to revoke?
This is Mr. Cunningham's case. Let me see if he's already done that. He filed a motion to revoke back on July 23rd or thereabouts, and that's how the warrant got issued. So a motion to revoke has been filed. We need to set this for a motion to revoke probation hearing.
Okay. Get your paperwork filled out so you can get an attorney, and then we'll get you back in court for a hearing on your probation violation.
Wait, okay.
All right, thank you.
Yeah.
Give me a moment, Your Honor. I got to relocate to the next one.
Absolutely. I won't have a history lesson today because I stopped to get donuts instead of looking up history, so.
Well, for the folks that like to watch this over their lunch hour and everything else, they'll get by without a history lesson. It's already been entertaining enough. I forget how many people watch this stuff, and sometimes I have to remind myself not to have any outbursts or do anything that I wouldn't want hundreds of people seeing.
Don't worry about it. Nobody's watching.
I understand exactly where you're coming from.